Welcome to the channel. You're probably wondering what the hell is Peasant Uprising and, what do I want to pay attention to this for? Peasant Uprising is my journey through growing up very poor and my experiences surrounding that, and really the steps and challenges that I've gone through to kind of stabilize and kind of get out of that situation. It's by no means my stopping point, and it definitely is going to be something very different in the future, but this is my journey up from that, and it's about sharing what I've gone through with all of you, and it's going to allow us to kind of have an open discussion about a lot of things that I feel like aren't discussed, and it's going to allow me to kind of walk through the processes that I've gone through. So I welcome you to stick around, subscribe, and see what the future has to bring for everybody.